My bad.
Tingnan mo yan. Mawawala mo lang, huwag ka nang bumili. Hi! Kita lang yun.
And construction paper.
Ano to? Back to school shopping vlog. Let me see your feet. How about you, Sammy? Let me see your feet. Oh, so cute. Kuya, you.
Oh, same.
Together. You are
Hungry.
oh hungry.
Oh, sabi I'm so
What? What
hungry.
did Kuya say?
Stop faking it, Sammy.
What did Kuya say?
I said I'm hungry.
Kuya said you are
Hungry.
ugly. Are you ugly?
Hungry.
You're ugly?
No,
You're ugly.
Where's me?
Hi!
Hi, we arrived.
In Asansak Mall. Uy, paano yun? Again, do that.
What did you do?
Wait. So, Kuya is having the
Okay naman.
palabok. Oh no! What are you having? Ha?
Shawarma.
Oh no! Look at your face! Look at you!
My bad.
Okay, enjoy my babies! Taste test.
Mainit pa eh. Wala na.
Blow mo. You want some, Sam? What's your judgment?
Tama naman. Ano naman? Labo.
Uulit ka pa ba?
Dalawang
Ako din eh, parang di na uulit. You! What do you eat? Only eat fries.
Eat it. Eat it na, arte.
Break lang ah.
Bye.
ba? Sabi look, I'm not doing it.
Whoa, that's a big mouth. Want more? One more? Okay. Ano, okay? Pero pa nakakatawa yung itsura mo sa headset. Tingnan mo dito. Tingnan mo, kuya. Hello, guys. Bumili ka na ng 2 pack. Large ka ba, mahal? Where's Cecet? Favorite slippers siya ni Paps. Ito yung laging slippers ni Paps. So. Kaya nga, yun ay favorite slippers ni Paps. Ayun, lagi meron siya yan, no? Oren.
Wow, waste of money. Sabi, look here.
Isip money kayo nga, 2 po yung pabili waste money.
Sabi, look here.
Like what?
Baby, look here.
Wow, sipon! Yeah, you look.
You want to look to before?
Ayun, ayun, Let's buy that one.
No. I said no way.
Yeah, tour of your Union shop. Kaya ng sauce. Snacks. Dessert.
Wait.
My baby. Who's that? Is that your baby? Kiss mo yung baby mo nga. Kiss mo yung sipon. Paano?
Sabi, dito yung space. Dito yung space. Sabi, dito yung space again. Sabi, is he cute? Sabi, is your baby cute? Sabi, is your baby cute?
Ayan na. Inuho na yung baby mo. Oh, meme mo yung baby mo. Padodo mo yung baby mo, dodo mo. Milk daw yung baby mo. Dodo. Baliw ka talaga yun, ha?
Sabi, he's hungry. He's hungry. Sabi, he's getting autism.
iced tea. Chill guys. Padod sila. It's okay, that's yours. It's okay, you can drink more. It's okay.
Mommy.
Sige, it's okay, you drink lang. You tired? Unicorn! Unicorn! Where are you?
Hello guys! For today's video, we're going to unbox all the things we got from SM South Mall. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
What do we do first? This? No. Okay, what? Okay. So, for me and Kuya Gabi, the things we got.
Back to school shopping.
Okay, back to school shopping is French body for Kuya Gabi.
What's that?
Brief and my lunch box and Sammy's panty. Yeah, it's yours. And Sammy's socks and my home sleepers.
Daddy, look at his home sleepers.
Para kailangan pa.
And Kuya Gabi's undershirt and kino shoes to?
Kulang naman bumili yung shoes eh.
Oh, and my shoes. Oh no, Samantha. And okay, the bag one is done. And the things we got for our school is the oh my God.
Ay, pa yung receipt.
Folder. The folder. And construction paper. And sterling notebook. And sterling paper notebook.
Sealer?
Ay, sealer pala. And Sammy's notebook. And my notebook. So, pang 5 subjects na to, guys. No, not yet. That's for bag number 3, Sam. Oh. And my mathematics notebook. So, bag number 3, this is the clothes. Oh, and this is for all Sam. Okay, so her unicorn robe. And my sleepers. I wear it. No. You don't want to wear it, Sammy? No. Okay. Give it to me. Yeah. Okay. And undershirt of Kuya Gabi then. The undershirt again for Kuya Gab. And Sammy's socks again. And my pencil case. And it also has already my pens. Okay. And what do you got pa, Sam? What is this? It's my daddy.
No, that's for your books.
That's for your books.
Scotch tape.
This Scotch tape.
Oh, careful with the other one, ah.
My socks. And this is Kuya Gabi's brief again. And my socks again. Okay. And my shoes. And Sammy's shoes. Yay! We got a Frozen shoes. Okay, and then and the crystal baby.
Yeah,
Okay,
be
let's
careful.
go open down Sammy's shoes. Okay.
Show Dad your shoes.
Daddy, look at this.
Look, my other shoes.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's black. Because this is for your school. And my school shoes.
Look how my shoes. Wow.
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 It's same.
Yeah, it's the same. It's kind of the same because it's for school shoes.
Wow.
Okay. And my gaming headset.
And my cricket. And my
Give it to me. I will cut. I will open.
And also, my can you cut mine?
Yeah, sure.
Hey.
Oh no!
The paper bag. It's already open pala. Sammy, stop throwing the paper bag, bruh. And my gaming headset. So this headset is from Marvel. Yay! Yeah, is that already said, Sam? Mom, that's it, guys. Okay na? That's it, guys. Bye-bye.
Say bye, Sam.
Bye. Hello, guys. So for today's video, we're going to unbox. Mami, ulit na mayroon pa ng chicken na bungawanag.
Ikaw, guys. Nakita kasi dati. Ang galing mo.
No. Laban kayo, guys. Laban kayo? Laban kayo? Bim, bim, bim.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.